Latest crypto and NFT news. The crypto industry faces massive layoffs following the market collapse. The shockwaves of FTX collapse hasn't stopped even in December as many crypto firms and VCs announce employee layoff. The whole IT industry is already in crisis, and now the bear market has brought the Web3 firms to loss as well. Bankruptcies, customer fund disputes, and the SBF drama is costing millions of dollars of loss to companies, whether they were involved or not involved with FTX or Alameda Exchange. December seems to be starting off with a depressed market, as platforms report layoffs all over the world. Candy Digital, a startup co-founded by Gary Vee, let go of over one-third of its 100-employee population. The firm was previously valued to be around $1.5 billion in 2021, but the 2022 market has brought it down to the lowest. Visit our website for more news.